VTech Baby Monitors use beeping sounds to alert you when something needs your attention. Understanding these different beeping patterns helps ensure your monitor works correctly. The most common reason for beeping is a low battery in the parent unit. When the rechargeable battery runs low, the monitor beeps to warn you. If you see a red flashing charging light, connect the parent unit to power for at least 30 minutes. The second most common cause is when the parent unit goes out of range from the baby unit. This happens when the units are too far apart or when there's interference from other electronic devices. The monitor beeps to alert you that the connection is lost. VTech monitors also have temperature alerts that beep when the baby's room gets too hot or cold. Sound detection alerts will beep when the baby unit picks up noise in the room. These features help keep you informed about your baby's environment. VTech monitors use different beeping patterns to help you identify what type of alert you're receiving. Short beeps typically indicate low battery, while longer beeps usually mean the units are out of range. Learning these patterns helps you respond quickly to your monitor's alerts. The most common cause of beeping is a low battery in the parent unit. Start by checking the battery level and charging status. If the battery is low, connect the charging cable and try a different power outlet. A full charge can take up to 12 hours. If the battery still won't charge after trying different cables and outlets, the battery may need replacement. If battery isn't the issue, check the connection between parent and baby units. They should be at least 3 feet apart, but within range. Move the parent unit closer to the baby unit if you're getting out of range alerts. Reduce interference from other electronics like routers and microwaves. Ensure both units are powered on. If you have multiple baby units, at least one must be on to maintain connection. Check your monitor's alert settings. Temperature and sound alerts can be adjusted or disabled if they're causing unnecessary beeping. If problems persist, try resetting the monitor. Start with a basic reset by disconnecting power from both units for 15 to 60 seconds. For persistent issues, try a factory reset using the reset button on the monitor's underside. Or contact VTech support for further assistance. Remember to test your monitor regularly and keep firmware updated. Most beeping issues can be resolved by checking battery, adjusting range, modifying settings, or performing a simple reset.